The 1000W folding electric bike is a versatile and powerful e-bike that impresses with its performance, portability, and design. With a robust 1000W motor paired with a substantial 48V 20.8AH removable battery, this e-bike is engineered for both speed and convenience. It stands out not only for its power but also for its folding feature, which makes it ideal for urban commuters or anyone who requires a bike that can be easily stored or transported. Performance. One of the most striking features of the 1000W folding electric bike is its impressive performance. The powerful 1000W motor delivers exhilarating speeds of up to 30+MPH, making it suitable for quick commutes or leisurely rides. The acceleration is smooth, and the bike responds well to pedal assist, allowing riders to enjoy the thrill of speed without sacrificing control. The use of throttle and pedal assist modes provides flexibility, catering to both casual riders and those looking for a more intense workout. The bike's ability to handle inclines is noteworthy. It tackles steep hills with commendable ease, thanks to its robust motor and gear ratios. Riders can feel confident taking on varied terrains, whether navigating busy city streets or exploring hilly trails. The bike is equipped with a front suspension system that absorbs bumps and uneven surfaces, contributing to an overall smooth ride. Battery life and range. The 48V 20.8AH large removable battery is another highlight of this electric bike. It offers an impressive range, allowing users to travel up to 50 miles on a single charge, depending on factors such as terrain and riding mode. For daily commuters, this means fewer worries about battery life and sufficient power for round trips. The battery can be easily removed, making it convenient for charging indoors or for swapping out with a spare if you plan a longer journey. Charging the battery is straightforward and can be done overnight, ensuring that it's ready to go for the next day. The battery's longevity is also commendable, with proper care ensuring years of reliable use. This aspect is particularly appealing for those who may be concerned about the longevity of electric bike batteries. Design and build quality. The folding design of the bike is incredibly practical. It features a lightweight aluminum frame, making it easy to carry and transport. When folded, the bike takes up minimal space, which is perfect for those with limited storage or for commuters who need to bring their bike on public transport. The folding mechanism is sturdy and secure, ensuring that the bike remains stable during rides. The design is sleek and modern, with an emphasis on functionality. The bike comes with a bright LED headlight and a rear reflector for enhanced visibility during nighttime rides, which is essential for safety. The adjustable seat and handlebars cater to a wide range of rider heights, ensuring comfort for everyone. Braking system and safety features. Safety is paramount in any bike, and the 1000W folding electric bike does not disappoint. It comes equipped with mechanical disc brakes on both the front and rear wheels, providing reliable stopping power in various conditions. The braking responsiveness inspires confidence, especially when traveling at higher speeds. The bike also features a horn and lights, adding to its visibility and safety on the road. Comfort and ride experience. Comfort is a significant consideration for any electric bike, and this model excels in this area. The adjustable seat is padded, and the ergonomic design of the handlebars contributes to a comfortable riding posture. The bike's suspension system helps to soften the ride, minimizing fatigue during longer journeys. Riders will appreciate the comfortable grip of the handlebars and the overall balance of the bike, which enhances the riding experience. Conclusion. In conclusion, the 1000W folding electric bike is a well-rounded e-bike that delivers on performance, usability, and comfort. Its powerful motor and substantial battery life make it an ideal choice for both commuters and recreational riders. The folding feature adds a level of practicality that is hard to find in traditional bikes, making it a fantastic option for those with limited storage space. While the bike is